that second week of May. All right. The first week of May only had one day in it. Okay. We're in the second week of May. It's the first full week of May. All right. So we already had Sunday and Monday. Monday's that first day you come to school. What comes after Monday? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. That's right. Today's Tuesday. And I know you know what number comes after 3. Yeah, definitely. 4. Okay. So let's see. Let's say the date today. Today is Tuesday, May 4th, 2021. Good job. What will tomorrow be? Tomorrow will be that middle of the weekday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. And I know you know what number comes here. What's after 4? 5. That's right. Okay. So in math, you've been talking about fair share or equal parts, you might call it. Fair share, you know what the word fair means, right? So if you're playing a game and somebody's not following the rules, you say, that's not fair, right? Well, fair means that everybody has the same chance, or everybody's playing the right way, or everybody gets the same amount, okay? If your brother gets 4 cookies and you only get 2, you'll say, that's not fair, okay? That means you're not getting the same amount as your brother, okay? Well, today, we're going to give a fair share to my 2 friends up here. I have a red friend and a blue friend. Do you see them? I put a red box around one of my friends and a blue box around another friend. And I'm going to share some cookies with them. All right? So I'm going to make some cookies. And I'm going to try to be fair. I'm going to try to give them the same amount. All right? So let's count my cookies. How many cookies did I bake? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I made 12 cookies, and I want to make sure that my friends get the same amount of cookies. Okay? So let's see. Here's how we're going to do this. I'm going to use 2 different markers, and I'm going to write the numbers in with these markers and make sure that I give both my friends the same amount of cookies. So first I'm going to give my red friend a cookie. There's 1. Then I'm going to give my blue friend a cookie. I'm going to put 2 in there. Do they have the same amount? They each have 1 cookie. Yep, that's their fair share, right? Now I give red another cookie. Oh, do they have the same amount now? No, red has 2 cookies and blue only has 1. So I'll give blue another cookie and then they'll have the same amount. They'll each have 2, right? Now I got more cookies left, so let's divide them up. I'll give red a cookie and blue a cookie. Now let's see. Let's see, there's 1, 2, 3 reds and 1, 2, 3 blues. Oh, same amount. All right, let's keep going. Make sure I'm giving everybody the same amount. I give red 1 and then blue 1, and then red 1, and then blue 1, and then red 1, and then blue 1. And I got to 12, so I know I used all my cookies because I had 12 cookies to start with. So let's see, let's count how many red cookies I gave, how many cookies the ones that are red I gave, and how many blue ones. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I gave 6 cookies to my red friend. Let's see how many blue cookies I gave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, they both got 6 cookies. They both got the same amount. They got their fair share. All right. Now this week we have 2 new sight words. Into and of. Now into, look, there's 2 little tiny words in there. In and to. And you push them together and it makes the word into. Pretty cool. Of is just OF, 2 letters. So I have a couple sentences here today to use those in. And my first one is, I can go into the cave, right? Into, like you say, you're going into the house, right? It's kind of a positional word, okay? So you have to go into a cave. If you just go on top of the cave, you don't know what's inside, right? You have to go into the cave to find out what's in there. So my sentence is, I can go into the cave. 6 words. Starts with I, capital letter. Next word, can. You know how to spell can, C-A-N. Do you remember how to spell go? G-O. G-O. I can go. Then I'm going to use into. That's just my 2 little words, in and to, put together. Into. I-N-T-O. I can go into the. We know how to spell the, T-H-E. Now you're working on the letters C and K this week, and both of them can say K. Now C can have another sound, but both C and K make the K sound sometimes. Well, cave starts with C. C-A-V-E. There's a silent E on the end that makes this A say its own name. A. A-V. And you don't hear the E. I can go into the cave. That was the end of my sentence because there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 words. Okay. Now my next sentence is a question. Will there be lots of bats? Oh, bats like caves. They like to go in there and hang upside down and rest. Okay. So let's see. Will there be lots of, a new sight word, bats? So I'm going to leave a nice space and start with a capital letter for will because I'm writing a new sentence. W-I-L-L. Will. Now there, we haven't learned that word yet. It has a digraph at the beginning, T-H like the. There. T-H-E-R-E. Will there be, that's just B-E. Will there be lots? That's L-O-T-S. Lots. That's an L, by the way. Maybe I better move him over. He's too close to that O and it looks like a B. There. Lots of, my new sight word, O-F. O-F. And I bet you know how to spell bats because that's an A-T word. So what's it start with? That's right, a B, and it ends with A-T. And we're going to put S on the end because we're talking about more than one bat. Because bats like to live together. Now, bats, more than one. Now, what kind of punctuation do I need? Will there be lots of bats? Right, I need a question mark there because I asked the question. All right, great job. Make sure you're practicing your sight words.